Hi, I'm Ethan, the owner of Smart Sushi Chef. Today, we're doing an instructional video for the Kappa Kanpeki. We offer the Kappa Kanpeki as a set of 3 and as a single unit. To open the case, simply slide to separate the top from the bottom. Inside of the 3-pack, you will find 3 different sizes. The green 3mm, the white 1mm, and the black 2mm. Select your size and separate the 2 halves to begin. Take your knife and attach the bottom half to the lower portion of the knife and the top half to the top portion of the knife. With the number 2, I find it perfect for cutting cucumbers. You're going to practice a rolling motion with your left hand, and with your right hand, you will practice sliding the knife. When both of these actions are done together, a thin sheet of vegetable can be cut. When you're done, simply remove the 2 pieces from your knife, fold them back together, and place them in the case. The white 1mm version is perfect when used with daikon to make tsuma. Simply repeat the same process as with cucumber, rolling while pushing. Some vegetables, like this takwan, are more easily cut by using a sawing motion. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at office@smartsushishef.com.